Have you ever walked into a bank and suddenly felt nervous? You look around. Everyone seems busy, the lines are long, and you think, "Oh no, what do I say in English?" Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we're going to the bank together, in English. By the end of this episode, you'll know how to greet the staff, open an account, deposit or withdraw money, and ask for help, all in clear, simple, and polite English. So, grab your wallet and let's begin our trip to the bank. Welcome to Daily English Listening Stories, where learning English is easy, fun, and practical. I'm so happy you're here today. In this episode, you'll practice common English phrases for real-life situations at the bank. You'll also learn to speak politely and confidently when dealing with money. No stress, no fear. Are you ready? Let's open the door and step inside the bank. You open the glass door and walk in. The bank is quiet but busy. You see people waiting in line and staff helping customers behind the counter. A friendly employee smiles and says, "Good morning. How can I help you?" This is your cue. You can answer in different ways depending on what you need. "Good morning. I'd like to open an account, please." "Hi, I'd like to withdraw some money." "Hello, I want to deposit some money." "Good afternoon. I need to change some cash." All polite, all simple. And remember, a smile always helps. If you're just waiting, you can say, "I'd like to see a teller, please." A teller is a bank worker who helps you at the counter. The employee might give you a number. "Please take a seat. We'll call your number soon." So, you sit down, relax, and wait your turn. Your number is called. You walk to the counter. The teller greets you. "Hello, how can I help you today?" Here are 3 common situations you might face. To open an account. You say, "I'd like to open a bank account." The teller asks, "Do you have your passport or ID?" You? "Yes, here it is." Then they might ask, "Would you like a savings account or a checking account?" A savings account is for saving money. A checking account is for daily use. You can say, "A savings account, please." They'll give you a form to fill out. You can ask, "Can you help me with this form, please?" Perfect, simple, and polite. To deposit money. Imagine you already have an account and want to put money in. You can say, "I'd like to deposit some money, please." The teller asks, "How much would you like to deposit?" You, $200, please. They'll take your money, count it, and say, "All done. Here's your receipt." You reply, "Thank you very much." Easy. To withdraw money. Now maybe you want to take some money out of your account. You say, "I'd like to withdraw $50, please." The teller might ask, "Would you like it in 10s or 20s?" That means, do you want $10 bills or $20 bills? You can say, "20s, please." They'll count the cash and give it to you with a smile. You reply, "Thank you. Have a nice day." Maybe you don't want to wait in line. You go to the ATM, which means automatic teller machine, the cash machine. Here's what you can say and think in English. First, I insert my card. Then, I enter my PIN number. Next, I choose Withdraw Money. I take my cash and my card. And don't forget to smile, because yes, you just used an ATM in English. If the machine doesn't work, you can ask a guard or staff. "Excuse me, this ATM isn't working. Can I use another one?" Let's review some easy and useful English words from our visit to the bank. Deposit, put money into your account. I deposit money every week. Withdraw, take money out of your account. I withdraw cash from the ATM. Teller, the person at the counter who helps customers. The teller is very friendly. Receipt, a small paper that shows your transaction. Don't forget your receipt. Savings account, for saving money. I save money in my savings account. Checking account, for everyday spending. I use my checking account to pay bills. ATM, machine for taking or depositing money. I go to the ATM every Friday. Now, it's your turn to practice. Try to say 2 or 3 sentences in English about what you do at the bank. For example, I go to the bank every Monday. I withdraw money from the ATM. I save money in my account. You can also write them in your notebook or in the comments. Remember, small practice every day builds big confidence. So, what did we learn today? That going to the bank doesn't have to be scary, not even in English. You can start a conversation with a smile and a simple sentence. "Hello, I'd like to deposit some money." Or, "Hi, can you help me open an account?" With these easy phrases, you can handle any basic banking situation. And remember, English is like saving money. Every small word you learn is a coin in your language bank. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, share, and subscribe for more daily English listening stories. Now, tell me, what's something you often do at the bank? Deposit money? Use the ATM? Or maybe just smile at the teller? I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep learning, keep smiling, and stay rich in English words.